What's up, family? How you guys doing today? Adil here with Milky Tech, and I don't know if you guys are noticing something missing from my wrist, but where's my watch? So recently my Galaxy Watch broke and I had to get a new one. In comes the Galaxy Watch 3. The reason why I picked this is because it has a lot of great health features. The battery life is not as good as the older watch, as they claim, 2 days versus 4 days, but some of the features that are in here make up for that. So, let's go over those features. Some of the key features that this watch has is its durability. It's built with military-grade durability and has water resistance, up to 5 ATM, so you can go swim with this and have fun. It has holistic health monitoring, and it can record your ECG-AKG for 30 seconds and let you know how your heart health is. And if you were to get hurt while you're working out, it will send for help, and it can discreetly track your cycle. And of course, aside from the other heart rate and fitness trackers it's built in it monitors your sleep habits, so it helps you sleep better, and monitors your stress. It has next level fitness. It will help you get the best out of every step that you do while you're working out. It has a long lasting battery, up to 2 days, and with integrated Bixby, it helps read your text messages, make your calls. So let's go over the specs of this watch. This watch is a Bluetooth version. It's not the LTE version. It's a 45mm watch. It has 1 gig of RAM and 8 gigs of internal storage, so you can put your music on here and listen to it without having to use your data. In this watch, the battery size is 340 milliamp hours and should last you about 56 hours. It's wirelessly charged. It's a dual-core processor at 1.6 gigahertz, and it has Wi-Fi capabilities and Bluetooth capabilities. And for the upgraded model, you can get LTE. Let's unbox this guy. So before we unbox this, let's look at the box itself. I like how the letters here all shimmer and shine all holographically. We have the picture of the watch with some more holographics. More holographics and some information back here. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, this is how the watch looks. Look at to the side. Take this guy out. And let's take out all the information and documentation and whatever other stuff is in here out. Take everybody out. Okay. We have terms and condition, a little quick start guide, and how we charge this watch. And this right here, we gotta move this here. And this is how we charge it. It's just a little wireless pad that fits on the back of the watch. I do wish the cable was a little bit longer. Alright, let's take the watch out. It is a beautiful watch. Genuine leather strap. It feels more premium than my previous watch. So let's go a little overview of the watch. We have our 2 buttons. This is our back button, and that's our power button. This here is our little turn dial, so you can toggle the apps, move through the apps seamlessly without having to touch the watch. On the back is our sensors. Over here there are 2 tabs. You just push on them, and the straps come out, so you could replace the straps, so you could always have a fresh watch. Alright, let's see if there's any more juice in here, see if it turns on. Always seem to get the dead ones. Alright, so let's turn this watch on. Press and hold this button, and it should just turn on. There we go. And this is how the watch looks like on my arm. It's a pretty decent sized watch. I'm a big guy, and it fits nicely on me. Of course, they have a smaller size, so if your wrist is smaller, you should go for that. But this is the biggest they have, and I like the way it looks like on my arm. Alright, so in order to set up the watch, we need to go to the Galaxy Wearable app. You just download it from the Play Store or from the Galaxy Store, and then let's get started. Now we pick the device we're trying to connect, which is the Galaxy Watch 3. Now we pair. And refer back to your watch because it will ask you to do a whole bunch of things. Now we download the required plugin. Go back to the app. And now it's just finishing up the pairing process. Let's click this Learn More. This gives you a little tutorial on what's going on with your watch. So it tells you how to access your notification, widgets, how to see the main screen, what button does what, the back key and the home key, best place to place the watch for measurements, and your notifications at a glance. And now the watch is paired. Of course, you have to agree to all the user-end agreements except for diagnostic reports and marketing information. They're not going to get that. Alright, sign into your Samsung account if you have one. And I recommend you do. It makes it easier to use. If you have any backups from your old watches, you could do that. And I'm going to back up everything from my old watch. Restore. Enough data has been restored to the watch that we can continue forward. It will do everything else in the background. Alright, we're all set. Overall, I think this is a great watch. It looks nice, it's stylish, the bands are nice, it's a nice leather. And if you don't like the band, you can always replace it. It's a standard 22mm band, and you can get that almost anywhere. I'll have some bands and the link for this watch in the description below. And I don't know if you guys noticed something, but I'm in my new set. We just recently moved, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified when I release my next video. If you guys have a question or want to say hello, leave it in the comment below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.